Hello, this is your crypto daily market update for the 25th of January 2022. The order of the top five are still the same, and the market is overall up by 7.84% to $1.65 trillion. So Bitcoin at number one is up 7.87% to $36,531.91. ETH is up 7.89% to $2,420.16. Tether still at the same, 0% change, $1 at $1. Binance Coin is up 7.94% to $371.90. USD Coin, you get fluctuations, the odd tad in Tether and USD Coin, that's down by 0.1% to 0.9999, but a minor difference. So overall, it is in the high 7%, just shy of 8% increase. So some people probably made some money.